how to make your Wells Fargo credit card payments. If you want to make your Wells Fargo credit card payment or you want to pay your Wells Fargo credit card bill online, first you launch the Wells Fargo app, you type in its username, password, and sign into your Wells Fargo mobile banking account. Navigate to your credit card account within the app, and you can make a one-time payment or schedule future payments. The other is you can basically pay by your phone. So you can call the customer service number on the back of your card or the one provided on your statement, follow the prompts to make a payment. You can also make it a payment by mail. So you can send a check or money order along with the payment stub from your statement to the address provided on the statement. In person also you can do it by visiting a Wells Fargo branch and pay your bill at the counter. These are some of the ways on how you can make your Wells Fargo credit card payments. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.